Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making a hair keratin for hair growth and frizz control using pennyroyal, avocado seed, cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Pennyroyal stimulates blood circulation in the scalp and promotes hair growth, treats dandruff, and purifies the scalp, strengthens hair from roots to ends. Avocado seed may support scalp hydration and overall hair health. They could help nourish the scalp and contribute to hair's natural moisture. Cornstarch, while it's great for oil hair, it can also help fine and frizzy hair, as well as straight, wavy, and loosely curly textures. Apply the keratin once per week for 45 minutes with shower cap before your shampoo.